reminds me of a story. I had a client who was pregnant and was involved in a really bad motor vehicle wreck. And she was taken to the hospital. She was on monitors and she was in the hospital and she was there for a couple of days. And she received a telephone call from an insurance adjuster. And the insurance adjuster asked her an innocuous question. How are you and how is your baby? To which, being unable to fathom that something serious is happening, she says, I'm doing great and my baby is just fine. Well, that statement, I'm doing great and my baby is just fine, haunted us for the next 2 years of that case. It was the only thing that case became about. The defense attorney used that statement to bolster their entire case that there was nothing wrong with mom or her baby. The baby was born premature. Ultimately, both mom and baby had a happy ending and things worked out. But for a year and a half or 2 years, that was the conversation that we had to deal with. And had that client spoke to me first, the instructions would have been don't talk to anyone other than your attorney. Because you nor your baby were okay. And that little soundbite, that innocuous statement you made it so much harder to resolve the case. It added so much time to that claim. And while in the end we had a happy ending, mom and child were okay, they received a recovery within the policy limits, or actually for the policy limits, and everything turned out just right, it created so much more anxiety, so much more angst, and so much more heartache for our client because they didn't talk to the attorney first. Remember, insurance companies are not representing you, they're representing their client, the person who caused your injuries. And they want to make sure that they don't pay overly for these claims. And your responsibility, or my responsibility as your attorney, is to make sure that I get you the rightful amount that your case is worth. And oftentimes that's very different from where we're coming from versus the insurance company. And there are negotiations that come back and forth. And those negotiations, every aspect of the case comes out. John, your client said she was okay. No, she wasn't. She wasn't in the right state of mind. She wasn't okay. And that was the back and forth for months and months. Take this story and remember, if you're involved in a motor vehicle wreck, if you're involved in a workplace crash or a workplace event, don't talk to anyone other than your attorney. Have a plan in play that ensures that your case is reviewed in a light most favorable to you, because the waters are often muddied and what really happened often gets twisted and turned, and that might not be in your best interest. As soon as you're involved in one of these events, reach out to an attorney, call us. We're happy to talk about it and put together an action plan to put you and make sure your case is viewed in a light most favorable to you. Call us today.